Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a calculated field at table level. So what I'm going to do is create a new table called products. Let's do that first of all. Create table in design view, and I'm going to call it first of all product ID, and that will be the primary key, and I'll have that as an auto number field, and I'll set that as the primary key. And then I'll just have product, that can be text, quantity, QTY, can be number, and price can be currency. So let me just save this for now. So if I go save and call that TBL product, then OK. So now what I want to do is do a calculated field that's going to work out what the actual value is of the stock. So if I've got 10 items at £10, I want that to say £100. But before I do that, I'm going to put some products in this table. So this will just be like horses, Excel. Let's say I've got 100 of them and they go at 100 quid. And then I'll go for Word. Got 25 of them. They go for £50. And then Access. Access. Got 200 of them and they go at £200. Like so. So I want this column to be a calculated column that's going to tell me what the actual stock value is. So if I go back into design on this, I now need to do stock value as a title, stock value. And then I'm coming across, I'm going to select calculated field down the bottom here. Now it's opened up the expression builder, which is great because it shows me the fields that I've got. So basically it's going to be quantity, double click on that, times price. That's all it's going to be. Like so. Quantity times price. Clicking OK to that. Saving the table. Having a look. So that's worked it out. It's also picked up the currency as a value. If I change any of these, if I change that to 100, when I tab off that, it automatically recalculates. So that's as simple as that is. To create a calculated field at a table, you're looking at the fields within the table, not outside of it like you would on a query perhaps, or in a form or a report. This is within the table at this table level. Now, there are functions you can use as well. Not all the functions that are available everywhere in Access are available at table level, but basic calculations like VAT rates and things like that can be done at this level. So that's all I want to talk about on this little session, how to create a calculated field at table level in Access. So thanks for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.